my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
Ben, I didn't know you were recording. What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Sorry that I missed last Tuesday's upload. You know, I was just busy with work and stuff like that, and to be honest, I just didn't have a video for you guys. So as you guys know, we are going 150 shot with the car, and I'm still on the stock fuel system. So last time I was on the 100 shot, my tuner Eric Lang, he actually told me that the fueling was good and everything like that, but I had a lot of people tell me, and they freaking kind of scared me, saying that I was probably gonna max out on fuel, and you know, running out of fuel is not good. You know, you can start to lean out and then, you know, have issues with your car. So I went ahead and bought a new fuel pump. As you guys can see, got the front drag runners on right here. If you guys want, I'm giving you a chance to win these wheels, guys. Front and back drag pack with tires. So go over to my Instagram right now, 4.6Chris, and get ready, guys. I'm about to do a giveaway on those. Alright guys, so as I told y'all, I got a new fuel pump, and so I went ahead and bought a new fuel filter because, you know, you don't want a new pump and your filter's clogged up, you'll ruin your new pump. This is the rubber, I forgot what this is called. This is where the filler net goes in. These always tend to go out, so we needed that. And then we got a new AeroMotive. This is the juice right here. New fuel sock, couple of lines, hoses. And this baby right here is gonna flow tons of fuel. This is the 340 liter per hour AeroMotive Stealth fuel pump right here. This thing is super nice, man, and it's E85 compatible, so we could be going E85 in the near future. 340 liter per hour, so this is gonna give us a little bit of room to grow, so we don't have to get back in the tank and drop it again. And you know, we got some things, some bleach whitener with from Black Magic for those wheels over there. Give them a little quick nibs. So we're gonna clean those up. That's for another video there, you guys. A little brush, and then we got some paint because the bottom of that tank is all white and ashy, and it looks gross when you're behind the car. So when I drop the tank, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that cover off, paint it real quick, and then I'm gonna throw it back in. So we just got called into work, so I'm gonna try to drop this thing as fast as I can. If they call me in when I'm in between, you know, I'll pick up the camera when we get back. But you know, we're just gonna start cranking away at this thing. I'm hopefully to get this thing done in like an hour and a half. I wanted to do it yesterday, but it was all rainy and cold and stuff like that. So today's a good day. It's a little bit cold outside, but you know, we're gonna get this thing done. It shouldn't take us too long, man. So stay tuned. Look go, bitch. Put it on size in this fucker. Alright guys, we got the tank out. Shit had like a quarter tank of gas in it already, so it's a little bit heavy, but got it out. The fuel lines are being a little pain in the ass, but I'm gonna blow this thing off real quick so, you know, we can block all this stuff, get all this dirt off of this thing. I'm gonna pull the cover off. I'm not sure if the cover comes off, but it should. Alright guys, so look, we got the new one out. I mean the old pump out. You guys can tell it's a stock pump if you guys do yours, because usually I'm gonna have to cut these and butt connect some new connections. But usually if they have these little ears like that, that means it's a stock pump. So this little pump was going on, man. This is a wall barrel pump. I didn't know wall barrel came from factory, but yeah, man, this is a OEM pump, OEM stock. This is the new AeroMotive pump, E85 compatible. We're probably gonna run E85 in the future, guys. I'm gonna put some injectors in this thing. We're just gonna full send it with E85. But we'll throw this pump together, and then I'll show you guys that part. Yo, what's up, guys? So we're back. Finally, you know, we went to work and came back. You guys can see the freaking sun's coming down already. I got this thing painted. Not the best job, but it does look way better than before. So before I forget, I'm gonna throw this filter in. The tank's already done. I didn't show you guys, but I'll post up a picture of what the pump looks like. I got too ahead of myself and I didn't record me putting it in there, but super simple install. Change the fuel filter real quick. I'm gonna write the mileage on this so I know how long it's been since I put this in. Motorcraft fuel filter, and then we're just gonna slap the tank in, man, and see what it does. So we'll keep you guys updated.
Two boys going in.
Alright guys, we got the new seal in also. I just put that on. And we got this new paint job on this tank. I don't want to scratch it up with the jack, so I'm trying to be careful over here. Alright guys, as you can tell now, I just finished the car. And I got the tank all back in now. It's already freaking dark, so I got my handy dandy light out here. But you know, everything's done. This was being a pain in the ass with all the little bolts in here. The neck was freaking, it was being a pain in the ass, so. It's finally done, man. I definitely recommend if you guys are gonna be dropping the tank, please do not have a lot of fuel in there because I cannot imagine messing with that tank and the straps when it's full or something like that because it only has a quarter of a tank and I was still fighting it. So right now, man, we're gonna fire it up, see what it does. You think it's gonna work?
I hope so.
Yeah, we're out here for a while, man. I feel bad for my boy right here, but come on, let's come over here. Basically what we gotta do is, cause I drained basically all the lines because I changed the fuel filter also, so we're gonna wanna prime this thing in 3 times. Wow, that tank, that freaking pump is, can you hear it? It's quiet, bro, listen. Oh, now it's getting louder. Okay. That sounds fucking weird.
Sounds like it's struggling.
I don't know, we're gonna fire it up, see what it does. Just because it's fired up doesn't mean we're not gonna have any leaks or something. So let's sit right here, wait for some leaks. If it happens, I doubt it. That pump is really quiet. It's way quieter than the stock one. That's pretty amazing. So yeah, man, we're gonna sit here, let it idle up, let the fuel get to it, and we'll see what it does. It's all looking good, man. We're probably gonna go put some gas in it because tomorrow is the nitrous day, man. That's why I put this bigger pump in there so it can keep up with the 150 shot. This thing's gonna be amazing, man. I'm gonna keep you guys updated right now when I go to the stripes. I'll roll it off the wraps and then you know, I'll update you guys when I get there. We're about to fill it up right now. See if there's not a leak on that filler neck. Let's see right now. Shouldn't be. Everything's running good, man. I did this thing. Took my time with it. 93 maybe, soon to be E85. Thought it wasn't going in, I was like, what the fuck? See if you know here. Everything seems to be running good, man. I'm gonna put like 10 to 12 gallons in this thing right now so I can get all the way over there to the dyno tomorrow. Make sure it's running all good on gas. And then 150 shot tomorrow, guys. I might just be doing all this for nothing just to blow the internals out, but we'll see. No leaks on that fuel filter. I got my eye. Alright guys, oh my god, that burned my eyes. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'll put pretty sure you guys heard it. It's a lot quieter than the stock pump, but you know, you can still hear it. That's what I was worried about. I was worried about they made the pump like silent which, you know, would be kind of dumb. But yeah, it's running great, man. As you guys can hear, it's loping. I love this car so much, man. Tomorrow it's going down 150 shot on the dyno. I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support, man. I really appreciate it. Please drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time, man. It's your boy 4.6Chris. I'm out, boys. Peace.
Lately getting hard to think right. I don't know just what to say. Get up on my face. I've been dodging days, right? Roll me up and run away. Know this been my fate. I'ma stay the same, right? Every day I feel the pain, never go away.